Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text in Cura Slicer. So there's an answer that you can do that in Cura Slicer. You need a CAD or other program like Blender to add a text, but I will show you how you can add text with Tinkercad, and after that import to Cura and basically print that way. So basically I have 3D model right here. It is same 3D model, and now I imported to the Tinkercad. And now I have this text option. What I can do is basically make it smaller. And now what I can do is lift it up. Also, I need to rotate that. And basically I will be able to put that on my cap. So let me put this like this. And now you can adjust the height of the text right here. So basically I will make something like this and type guide. Okay, so it should be a guide to everything, but now I will make it just a guide. And for the size, make sure to fit it. So I will make it something like this. And now what you'll need to do is basically center this text. Okay, and now just export. If you make your text look perfect, and now what you'll need to do is export your text. So you can do that by clicking on export button right here and clicking download as STL. Click on that one, save this file, and now just basically drop this to Cura. And if you go to the prepare, you will see that we will have a text. So that's how you'll be able to add a text in Cura Slicer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.